What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul and I like talking about car stuff. Now today's video is going to be a quick one. I recently got a BAKFLIP tonneau cover for my F-150. It's one of the 3-piece folding bed covers and I just installed it. I got some video of it, so I just want to walk you guys through that process real quick and then we'll finish up by giving you my first impressions. Alright guys, so that was the install. Overall, if you're doing one yourself, you probably shouldn't take more than 30 minutes to an hour. First impressions, the kit seems pretty nice. Some of the instructions were a little confusing, but I was able to figure that out without too much trouble. Now, the kit does come with 2 of these hoses. They fit to some drain holes. They're attached to the rails that you'll install on the side of the bed. I will say, if you're really trying to keep your stuff dry, don't skip out on this step. The only reason I didn't do it is because I just kind of ran out of time, but I will be putting these back on before I do any more road trips. Now I do want to do a more long-term review of this product after I've used it a little more, but I have actually done one road trip since installing it on my truck, and we put all of our luggage and stuff in the back, and we got caught in a pretty heavy rainstorm. I will say that our stuff stayed probably about 95% dry. A lot of that had to do with the fact that I did not have these hoses hooked up for the drain holes. The drain holes are actually located at the end of the rail close to the cab of your truck, and they're designed to kind of run down and go through a hole that's already in your bed of your truck. You don't have to drill any new holes. It's already there, you just have to take a plug out. I just kind of ran out of time. But anyways guys, that's going to be it for this video. I know it wasn't a very long one, but let me know if you have any questions about the bed cover and I'll do my best to answer it. And again, expect a more long-term review of this product later on down the road. I've also got a lot more truck videos coming up soon, so if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see y'all at the next one. You take care.